Hello again guys. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to copy text from images on your iPhone or iPad. This feature came with the iOS 15 release. It's very helpful. So, for example, if you need a text from the book or something, you just take a photo of that page and the iPhone will automatically detect the text so you can copy and save it. To make this happen, we need to enable live text. Open the Settings app. Find an option called General. Click on it. Here, find Language and Region. Tap. At the very bottom, you can find an option called Live Text. Make sure that this is toggled on. Now take a photo of a page from your book for example. And go to Photos. Open your photo. Touch and hold a word and move the grab points to adjust the selection. Top Copy. To select all text in the photo, select all. It was pretty easy. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.